Hello and welcome. In this video, I will show you how to create a bootable USB for Manjaro GNOME Edition. You can visit Manjaro website manjaro.org to download your favorite edition. And on this particular machine, I am using Linux Mint and I will use UNetBootIn for Linux to create a bootable USB. If you are a Windows user, you can use Acer or Rufus to create bootable USB flash drive. So now I'm going to start UNetBootIn. And you need to insert your USB flash drive as well. And 8 GB is minimum. 8 GB USB flash drive is recommended. Now you can select your distribution or you can click on this disk image. I have already downloaded disk image, so I am going to check this option. And now let's go to computer. Now go to Tahir desktop, and here you can see my Manjaro GNOME ISO file. Open this, and now you need to select USB drive, and from the drive option you need to select your USB flash drive. It has already selected for me. Now I can click OK, or I can go to computer, and here you can see my USB stick, and ID is SDB1. Now you need to click OK. Here you can see a warning message. Press yes to all to override it and not to be prompted again. Yes to override files on an individual basis. We need to select yes to all. Now this process will take some time. And once this process is complete, you will be able to use this USB flash drive to install Manjaro, or you can test the live version. Now you can see our installation is complete and it is current. After rebooting, select the USB boot option in the BIOS boot menu. So now you can use this. Now we can use this USB flash drive to install Manjaro, or we can try the live version. In the next video, I will show you the complete installation process. Thank you very much for watching this video.